Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an effortless way to have a healthy, versatile breakfast in the morning, this vanilla matcha overnight oats recipe is delicious, creamy, and a perfect way to fuel your day. Prepare it the night before and top it with your favorite fruits, nuts, chocolates, syrups, or nut butters. If you're a matcha lover and this recipe is of any interest to you, keep watching and let's get started. Start by combining a third of a cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 teaspoon of matcha powder in a bowl or jar. Add half a cup of almond milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix well. Plop 1 teaspoon of hazelnut spread in the center and cover with oat mixture. Then cover or seal your bowl or jar and chill in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. When it's ready, add your toppings and enjoy. And it's that easy to get a tasty, nutritious, and colorful breakfast in the morning. I hope you try this recipe for yourself and let me know in the comments what you like to add to your overnight oats. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any easy, delicious recipes. Enjoy and see you in the next one.